move very quickly into this set. We're going to break it down a little bit. We're going to come to a more natural sound, a place where all of us are attempting to find our natural rhythm. My name is Dr. Ayo Handy-Kendi. I'm a breathologist and a stress manager. This is my husband, John. He's a sound healer. And these are Earth Love Tune-Up Crew. So I know you're eating, but I want everyone to attempt to get connected with the one thing we all have in common, and that is the way that we're breathing. So we're going to take you on a little journey so you can come to your natural self. We're all running around, dealing with lots of stress, lots of tension. And in order to get back to our natural selves so that we can be healthy and whole and healed, we ask you to get connected with the breath of life. And we do that, you can simply put one hand on your chest, you can take the other hand and put it on your belly button, and you can begin to focus attention on your breathing.
This is right here.
And when we're in rhythm, we breathe easy and effortlessly. And we're conscious of every single breath we take. And if you're not aware of every breath that you take, relax. It should be easy, just like this music. It's relaxed and easy. But when we go through life, sometimes it's just like a maze. And in that maze, we're running around, going through the same patterns of life. Sometimes we have to just stop. We have to take a deep breath. Slow down, straighten up. Slow down, we release the tension. Because in a relaxed body, it creates a relaxed mind. And we can come out of the maze. We can stop running around. And we can get connected. And when we get connected, we get back in rhythm. So time to get back in rhythm. get in rhythm, then we begin to fly. We might find ourselves breathing a little faster. But when you're in rhythm with your breath, your life is in rhythm. Because it's nothing like being in rhythm. Just like the natural rhythms that we came into the world with. So come back to yourself. Come back to yourself by coming back to your breath. Come back to your natural selves. To who you really are. And when you can do that, you can really fly. When you can breathe easily, fully, consciously, you have power. And there's power in the breath. So reconnect with your power and come back to your natural self. Remember that we are powerful people. We are natural people. All the confusions of life can come down to simply just relaxing, taking away all the tension, and just getting into your natural groove. We are Earth Love Tune-Up Crew. Stay connected with your breath. Stay connected with your power. Stay connected with your love. Peace.
Yes.